You are going to love the 2011 Routan. Ladies and gentlemen, start your families. The Routan boom has begun and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, speed control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.